splendid agricultural sound of those very reliable, simple engines. Some of these Yak 50s are, bits of them are made of titanium. You see, they do have retractable undercarriage. Well, it's not semi-retractable, it's holds flat under the wing. And it's this aircraft that won 3 World Aerobatic Championships in the hands of the Russian team.
Hey, Franco!
I always really enjoy watching the Aerostars. They're such a professional bunch, they do exactly what they say on the tin. In fact, they date back to 1993. Several Yak 52 owners came together. The Yak 52 is a 2-seater trainer at North Weald in Essex for an intensive course of military-style flying training, coached by off-duty RAF instructors, and they decided to form the Red Star Racing Team, which used to display here and on the continent in the mid-90s. Sort of demonstration Reno-style air race, followed by large formation flypasts. And then they developed that into a basic 5-aircraft display. 1998 they expanded to 7, and they won the prestigious Shell-sponsored team prize at the Biggin Hill Air Fair, and also the silver medal at the FIA, that's the international body of aerobatics, formation Aerobatic Team Championships at Neuchâtel in Switzerland. They're positioning off to our right for a double quarter clover. Talk more about that in just a moment. The number 3 on the leader's left is Mark Levy. He's a past leader of the team, air traffic controller and part-time flying instructor, and now captain with BA. Flies 777 aircraft. So there's the smoke coming on, so to make it easy for us to pick them out in the sky. Now as they do this, the guy right out on the right wing is on full power, and the guy on the left is on idle to keep the formation shape exactly right. As they do that quarter clover maneuver, see, it's changed the direction of their flight through 90 degrees, and they'll do it again. So when they switch off the smoke like that, that means that's the end of that specific maneuver. They'll do a lazy wing over. That's what they call this maneuver. Just a way of reversing your direction. Back onto the main display axis, so here starts the next maneuver, the arrow loop. Now watch number 6 at the back, Dave Boardman, as they go over the top of the loop.
Oh,
yes, well,
wonderful.
You're very welcome to keep watching him, but he didn't depart, he just departed now. So he's leaving the formation. So we see Dave Boardman coming in for a little bit of solo aerobatics. Now I think he's going to start with the tail slide, but I'm not sure about that. Looks a bit like it. The aircraft's slowing right down. It's stationary. It's actually falling backwards into his own smoke. A perfect tail slide. Very difficult to control an aircraft to do that, requiring great skill. The main formation now coming in, I think in arrow formation, for another of those quarter clovers. And we can listen in cross break. Smoke comes on. Break, 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 go! Woo! 4 and 5 rolling as they go away. Andy Hammond is number 4 and Phil Ansell number 5. Now look straight across the airfield as Dave Boardman flies towards them, the solo, tipping down from the far side of the airfield. Wait for the smoke to come on. Smoke will come on now, and they start drawing the shape of a big heart in the sky. And number 6, Dave Boardman, pierces the heart through the middle. A beautiful heart left in the sky, lingering. Now coming in from right and left, 2 and 3, Gabriel Barton and Mark Levy in opposition for synchronized half Cuban 8 maneuvers.
Wow!
So they look as if they're going into a loop, but they roll on the way up and actually do a change in direction, and they roll out as they go away from us. I think they're now going to go into what they call a carousel, but I could be wrong about that. No, here come the other 3 in from the right. In a beautiful line abreast formation. Very difficult to do that, and especially when you're... And that is quite close. And maybe they're going to do it closer to us.
Woo!
And here comes Dave Boardman again from the right. First of all, hesitation rolls, and then a quick aileron roll in the middle. The main formation, meanwhile, I think they're getting into a box 4 formation. Final break coming up.
Aerostars, go!
¡Qué bueno, qué bueno!
And isn't that absolutely smashing? The 2013 Aerostars, Mark Rixer, Gabriel Barton, Mark Levy, Andy Hammond, Phil Ansell and Dave Boardman. Thank you very much to the Aerostars.